The Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN, is a unique 17-character code that identifies your Tesla vehicle. For the app to successfully add your vehicle, this VIN must match exactly with Tesla's database records. Any mismatch will prevent the vehicle from being linked. The VIN is typically found on the dashboard driver's side window frame. It consists of 17 characters that encode information about the vehicle's manufacturer, model, and production details. Tesla uses this code to verify ownership and enable app connectivity. Common causes of VIN verification errors include mistyping the 17-character code during manual entry, problems with QR code scanning, or the vehicle not being registered yet in Tesla's system. This often occurs with brand new purchases where the database hasn't been updated following delivery. First, double-check that you've entered the VIN correctly. Compare each of the 17 characters carefully against the VIN plate on your vehicle to ensure there are no typos or missing characters. Second, try scanning the QR code that comes with your Tesla vehicle instead of manually typing the VIN. This method is more reliable and reduces the chance of input errors. Third, if you have a new vehicle, allow time for Tesla's system to update. After delivery, it may take 24 to 48 hours for the VIN to be fully registered and synchronized in their database. Finally, if the issue persists after trying these steps, contact Tesla support directly. Provide proof of purchase and your VIN to expedite the verification process through their back-end systems. Tesla verifies vehicle ownership through your account email or purchase records. For new Tesla owners, this process usually happens automatically, but issues can occur with second-hand vehicles where the previous owner hasn't properly transferred ownership digitally. For second-hand vehicles, the previous owner needs to initiate the digital transfer through their Tesla app. This ensures the ownership records are updated in Tesla's system before you can add the vehicle to your account. If you're the new owner, you'll need to provide proof of the sale. This typically includes a bill of sale form showing the vehicle details, sale price, and signatures from both parties, as well as title transfer documentation from your local DMV. Once you have your documents ready, contact Tesla support through their app or website. You'll need to sign into your account and provide the proof of sale materials. Tesla will manually verify the ownership transfer and link the vehicle to your account, allowing you to add it successfully. Account troubleshooting focuses on ensuring you're properly connected to your Tesla account in the app. Common issues include being logged into the wrong account or having expired sessions. First, verify you're logged into the correct Tesla account. Open the app and check the account settings. The sign-in page should show your registered email. Second, check for multiple Tesla accounts. If you have more than one account, make sure you're using the correct one linked to your vehicle. Third, address expired sessions by logging out and back into the app. This refreshes your connection and often resolves login-related errors. Fourth, update your account information. Go to Account Settings and verify all details are current, including your email address and contact information. Finally, if you suspect regional restrictions, try using a VPN to access the app. Alternatively, contact Tesla support to confirm if the service is available in your area. Always update the Tesla app to the latest version to ensure bug fixes are applied. A stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular, is crucial for syncing your vehicle with the app. Restart your phone and try again, as this clears temporary glitches that may be causing connectivity problems. These simple steps often resolve common connectivity problems before requiring more complex solutions. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the add vehicle error, it's time to contact Tesla support directly. Before reaching out, make sure you have essential information ready to expedite the process. Tesla's website features a dedicated troubleshooting portal that includes real-time chat specifically for handling VIN disputes and account issues. Expect a resolution time of 24 to 48 hours, as these errors often require intervention from Tesla's technical team to update back-end systems and verify ownership records. Tesla is moving towards AI-assisted troubleshooting, with the app using machine learning to diagnose issues and suggest fixes. Future updates may include blockchain-based ownership verification to eliminate manual VIN entries. These innovations aim to reduce errors and streamline the vehicle linking process. Stay updated on Tesla software updates for the latest improvements.